All right, well, welcome back to the channel again. I'm just going to show you how to reset. Is a Toyota Tundra, is a 2008. So we are going to reset the maintenance light. You can see like right over there, that's the maintenance light. You're gonna get it out. So once first thing first, you turn off your car, and then you start it up. Then make sure this is on trip A right there. Make sure that's on trip A, what you see right over there. And then once that is on trip A, I hope you guys are seeing that, you turn off the key and then you take it out. Guys, I'm going to use two hands, but I'll just demonstrate with one. So I'll start the car to position 2. You just come with your key, you just put on the ignition, and then you start it to position 2. But doing the same that you have to be holding right there. You hold it first, and then you can turn on the ignition. Hold here, and then it will start resetting. So let me show you how it's done. I'll hold it. I'll hold the thing right there so that you guys can see, and then I'll start. Then guys, you see the lines going off. It goes all the way to 0, and that will be 0, 0, 0. So it's already reset. So let me show you now. Once that is done, you can turn off your car, and then you can start it off. The maintenance light is gone from right there. So you've reset your oil and stuff, so everything is all good. All right, see you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe.